you looking? Oh, now he's acting out. Okay. Elbows out. Wow. He doesn't turn as tight of a curve around there because of the gravel.
I told him to go wide. He's learning about going wide around turns. We talked about looking where you want to go. That's where you'll end up. Anyways, Mama, I thought you'd like to see this.
Is he loving it or what?
Oh, hey, well, you can ask. Just hold up your hand like a stop sign and he'll come over here and stop. Well, that's what he's supposed to do.
He should be looking at where he wants to go.
That's a good boy. He shouldn't be looking around at Mama. Go ahead and get his attention when he looks over here. Alright, go ahead and ask him.
Did you put that down in neutral?
That's a brake on this side.
No, did you put it in neutral?
No. It's okay, he doesn't have to. So why don't you ask him? Do you got a question for him?
Do you like this?
Of course.
Are you having fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Alright, a couple more laps and then we're going to call it a day, alright, bud?
You want me to do it fast now, Mom? Isn't it okay, Dad? If I do it fast now?
You're doing very good, bud.